Hello students, welcome back to the maths class. I believe you are fine, you are keeping safe at home and you are doing your homeworks, you are doing your studies, everything. Now there is a reminder here that whatever is being taught here will not be taught again in the class. So please follow the instructions, please follow the whatever is being taught and do your works whatever is being given by the teachers. Okay, so we were doing maths orbit. We have learnt about the properties of multiplication. We were doing multiplication. We have learnt the lesson we have started, and we have learned the properties of multiplication, order property, multiplication by 0 and multiplication by 1. So we were going ahead. Now actually there is one more property with the order property, multiplication by 0 and multiplication by 1. Now there is one more property which I did not teach you that time because it was not needed. There is one more property. So this property is multiplying by 10, 100 or 1000. So let us first see multiplying by 10. Now I have taken 3 examples here. Multiplying by 10, 7 into 10. Now you know that 10 can also be written as tens. So this is 7 and tens. So that's why it is written here 7 tens. That's why I have written 7 tens. This 7 into 10 can also be written as 7 tens. So we know that 7 tens is how much? 7 tens is 70. Okay, 7 tens is 70. Now say similar way, 9 into 10. So tens means this, tens, and 9 tens. So 9 tens we know that is 90. Now similar way, how we are adding? See, just we are putting 1 0. Tens means we are putting 1 0. So similar way, 79 into 10, that is 79 tens. That is simply we have to put 1 0 after that. Okay, 790. Now same way as we go for hundreds, as we are going for hundreds, 7 into 100 can also be written as 700s because this is 100. So 700s. So 700s, how do we write 700s? Write 700 in this way. Now 8 into 100. 8 into 100, 800s. Similar way we write this like this, 800. Now when we are just 7 into 100, we are not 8 ones are, this can also be written as 8 ones are 8 is here and 2 zeros we just have to copy down. Okay, then 79 into 100, that is 79 hundreds. 79 we are just writing 79 and 2 zeros we are copying down. Similar way, when it is of 3 digit, just we don't have to multiply, don't have to think anything, any number. When we multiply by 1, it remains same. So 129 into 1 is 129 and 3 zeros we just have to copy down. Okay, so this is the way we need to do. This is very simple and anybody can do it very easily. Now 7 into 1000, same way, 7 thousands, this becomes 7 thousands. So we know that 7 thousands, how do we write? We just have to put 3 zeros. Same way, 24 into 1000, that is 24 thousands, and as I told you there, same way, 24 ones are 24. Any number when we multiply by 1, we get the same answer. We just have to copy down the number of zeros given in the question. This is another simple way to do. Now when you write in the copies, you no need of writing 7 tens. You can directly write 7 into 10 is equal to 70. You can directly write 7 into 1000 is equal to 7000. This is very simple. 7 ones are 7 and then triple zeros. Okay. Now what happens when we are writing it? When there is other number other than 1. Now this is 2 here. This is the other digit. So we just have to multiply first the numerical values. Okay, 7 twos are, that is 2 tens. I have written here in this form only. 20 is 2 tens. Okay, 20 is 2 tens. Now this way 7 twos are 14 and tens. And we know that 7 twos are 14 and tens is 10. Okay. Now here I am again saying you the same way. We are just multiplying the numericals, the numbers. 6 eights are, you know how much it is? It is 48. And then 10 we just have to copy down. This is very simple. Now same way as I told you there, 12 into 200. Now when it is 200, same way 200 we can write it in this form also, 200s. Now 12 twos are 24 and hundreds. We just have to write hundreds here because this is 100. Now 24 hundreds, you know how do we write this? 24 and hundreds means 2 zeros. Okay, this is the way we write 2400. Now same way, now if we don't write this way, we can just write 9 threes are how much? 9 threes are, we know it is 27. 9 threes are 27 and 2 zeros we just have to copy down. Now 4 fours are 16, we know, and just have to see how many zeros are there. How many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2 and 3 zeros. We just have to copy down. Now what happens when there is 10 into 50? Okay, this is what happens when we are writing 10 into 50. First you multiply the numbers here. 5 ones are 5. We are just writing 5 ones are 5. Now how many zeros are there? 1 zero from here and 1 zero from here. So 50 into 10 is equal to 500. Okay, we have just multiplied the numbers here. 5 ones are 5 and 1 zero from here and 1 zero from here. So this is very simple. We just have to copy down the number of zeros, how many, whichever zeros are there. Okay, similar way if we write 4 into 50 or 500. Okay, 4 into 500. So we just have to first multiply these numbers. 4 fives are how much? 4 fives are 20. Now 20 is 1 zero. This is another thing. And 1, 2. There are 2 zeros which you need to add after this. Don't think that there is 1 zero already here. Okay, this is 4 fives are 20. So 20, this 4 fives are 20 is here. If you hide this 20, 2 zeros must be here. Okay, so this is very simple. You just have to multiply and count the number of zeros and write in the answer. So let me give you the homework for today. So you will be doing exercise 4F, question number 1 to question number 3. Only question 1 to 3 and exercise 4G everything. Okay, this is only this much is your homework. Please do your homeworks and please practice maths properly at your home. Okay, have a good day.